Hello everyone and welcome to eToro. Today I will go through the steps required for account verification. Verifying your account is a mandatory part of the registration process, which will ensure that you have access to the full benefits of the eToro trading platform. If you do not complete the verification process, you will not be able to enjoy the full eToro experience and some features will be limited in your account. Before you get started, please ensure that your phone number has been successfully verified. For more information on how to verify your phone number, please check out our KYC video. Now let's get started. First, click on Settings from the side menu, then click on Account. To verify your account, you will need to provide both a proof of identity and a proof of address. Please note that we will only begin checking your documents for verification after both have been uploaded. Let's start with the proof of address. Please pay close attention as clients often upload invalid documents as a result of not following the instructions. Invalid documents will lead to further delays in your verification. Click Proof of Address and a pop-up will appear detailing the acceptable required documents. Your proof of address can be one of the following: bank statement, credit card statement, electricity bill, water or gas bill, council tax bill, tax letter or bill, house rental official agreement issued by a rental agent, a letter from your employer, or a letter from your local municipality. Your document should contain your full name, address, and an issue date, which should be no older than 6 months. The name or logo of the issuer should be clearly visible. Please note that we do accept screenshots if your proof of address was taken from a digital document. Please see examples for proper and improper proof of address documents on the screen. Click on Upload and select your proof of address. Once your upload is complete, click on the blue arrow in the bottom right hand side to proceed. Next, we will upload a proof of identity. Click on Proof of Identity. A pop-up window detailing the proof of identity requirements will appear. A passport is the preferred proof of identity as it is the fastest document for us to process. Alternatively, you could use a driving license or any other government-issued ID. Your document should contain your name, date of birth, a clear photograph, and if it has an expiry date, that should be visible as well. If the document is double-sided and there's relevant information on the back of it, make sure to upload that as well. All of the information needs to be visible and legible. Please see examples for proper and improper proof of identity documents on the screen. Next, click the Upload button next to the document type you wish to provide. Select your scanned document and click Open. If you verify your account using the eToro app, you can scan documents directly from your mobile device. Once your upload is complete, click on the blue arrow in the bottom right hand side to proceed. The verification process is done by our customer service team, and if everything's in order, you should be notified within a few days that your account has been verified. There is no need to follow up with us by opening a ticket to customer service. We will review your documents and you will be notified once your verification is complete. In the event that your documents are rejected, we will send you an email with a clear explanation of what you need to provide. To avoid losing the email, please add eToro to your safe sender list in your email settings. You can visit and view your verification status at any time by following the progress bar under your profile picture. If your account is verified, you will see a green tick next to your username on your profile page. You can also view your status by going to your account settings. Click Settings and then Account. That's it for now. Thanks for taking the time to watch this tutorial. It was our pleasure having you here. Happy trading!